Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A3 car battery full guide. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake for safety. Wear gloves and eye protection to avoid acid splashes and sparks. Locate the battery under the hood or in the trunk and identify positive and negative terminals. Turn off all electrical systems and remove keys to prevent shorts. Keep tools organized and the area well lit for a smooth swap. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, followed by the positive, to avoid sparks and shorts. Loosen and remove any hold-down clamps or brackets that secure the battery in the tray. Carefully clean corroded terminals with a terminal cleaner or wire brush while wearing gloves. Lift the battery straight up using both hands and avoid tilting it to prevent acid spills. Set the old battery aside for proper recycling or disposal at a certified facility. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car repair videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading service manuals or passing time while the battery charges, and it's lightweight enough to carry in your jacket. I find it handy during long waits at the garage or when following step photos. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new battery into the tray with the terminals oriented correctly for snug cable access. Reinstall and tighten the hold-down clamps to secure the battery, following manufacturer torque guidance if available. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and ensure clamps are tight but not over-torqued. Start the car and check that lights, infotainment, and windows operate normally. Dispose of the old battery responsibly, and keep a record of the replacement for maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.